However, I really love in the work that I do in, my podcast and kind of my platform to make sure that I appeal to everyone. But
Yeah.
there are some nuances with women that are very interesting and we should definitely touch on. But yeah, so as far as ADHD, I'm not saying AI is wrong. I just think it paints a little bit of a um, kind of an anti-ableist vision, I would say. So here's the thing with ADHD. There's a misunderstanding that it has to do with hyperactive external presentation. The hyperactivity, it's interesting to note, is actually in the way that the brain mechanisms don't orchestrate and turn off and on at
Yeah.
times that they are meant to. So it's the hyperactivity is when too much of the brain is firing. And the interesting thing is that adding stimulation to the hyperactive brain helps certain parts of the brain turn off so other parts can turn on. So it's
That's
almost
interesting.
yeah, so it's almost kind of an opposite thing. You increase stimulation to decrease activity. Um, but very specifically, what AI did not say is that it is a neurobiological disorder that has to do with how the brain develops. And so the ADHD brain generally takes a little bit longer to reach full maturation. And sometimes you'll see some differences in the depth in the prefrontal cortex, which is where executive functioning lies.